Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you an easy DIY slash hack on how to organize scarves. So if you have a lot of scarves, this is the video for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my other social medias. Let's get into the video. Okay, so here's my bag of scarves. It's probably about maybe 25, but I'm just going to show you a great way to organize these in your closet so that you don't have a bag of scarves, but instead you have hanging scarves. We are starting off with 2 hangers. I would recommend using 2 instead of 1 so that it's not as like bendable and flexible. And the hooks, I have 12 like I said. So you're going to connect the hook to both of the hangers, not just one. And I'm just snapping it. Okay, so here are a few of my scarves. They've already been attached to the shower hook. Now I'm just attaching them to the 2 hangers I showed you earlier. I found it easier if you just put the scarves on the hook first and then attach the hook to the So right now I have 7 hooks on here, and remember it's 2 scarves to each hook, and I'm going to add more so that when I hang it up it's not shifting to one side or shifting to the other side. It'll just all stay in its place. Okay, so that's the end of the video. I got about 12 scarves. No, I'm sorry. I used 12 hooks and I got about 24 scarves to fit on just this hanger. If you have more scarves, you know you will use more hangers, more hooks. I hope this was helpful. And don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you for watching. So why declutter, you ask? Simply because you've grown out of your clothes from style to size. It will cut down on you saying, I don't have anything to wear.